Comparative adjectives help us compare two things or people. We use the word then to show what we are comparing to. For example, she is taller than me. This basic pattern is used throughout English. Comparative adjectives compare exactly two things or people. We usually make them by adding "er" to short adjectives or using more before longer adjectives. The word then always follows the comparative adjective to show the second thing in the comparison. The structure is simple: subject plus comparative adjective plus then plus object. She is taller than me. This book is more interesting than that one. He runs faster than his brother. Always use then after the comparative form. Here are common examples. She is taller than me. This car is faster than that one. Today is colder than yesterday. My house is bigger than yours. Notice then always connects the two things being compared. Practice makes perfect. Fill in these blanks with the correct comparative form. This bag is blank than the other one. She is blank now than yesterday. My house is blank than yours. This book is blank than the last one. The blue car is blank than the red car. Here are the correct answers. This bag is lighter than the other one. She is happier now than yesterday. My house is bigger than yours. This book is easier than the last one. The blue car is faster than the red car. Check your work. Remember these three key points. Use comparative adjective plus then to compare exactly two things. Short adjectives add "er" like tall becomes taller. Long adjectives use more like interesting becomes more interesting. Practice these patterns daily.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.